Hello everybody and welcome back to Alaris Labs YouTube channel. As you may know, the new version has been released and we are going to list the most important features and changes. As not all the features and corrections will be discussed in this video, you are welcome to check the full list of changes in the release notes. Please note that you can turn on the subtitles for the video by clicking on the subtitles control in the YouTube panel instruments. Check out our Facebook and LinkedIn pages to learn more about our life and business.
The logic of handling products with A-number-based billing has been reworked following the updates of the European law. It is now required to track both the A-number country and network dial code. The new checkbox Use Any-based billing has been added to international products. It operates similar to the original logic, only with no need to create tag products. The fields Any dial code and Any carrier destination have been added to rates for the products with the enabled checkbox Use Any-based billing. They serve to specify the A-number dial code. The following migration will be performed after the system update. The new checkbox will be selected for products with the enabled checkbox Check Any tags. Additionally, rates, including those from tag products, will be added to the base product with account for the new rate storage structure. As a result, the respective tag and its values will be used as the A numbers. Rate import has also been enhanced with account for the new logic. The following columns can now be set: Any dial code, A-number dial code, Any rate effective from, Any rate effective till, Any group, rate Any group, Any effective from, Any effective till, and Any based rate. For more detailed information, please pay attention to the release notes document.
Text translation has been added for concatenated messages if the number of segments is reduced after translation. The feature is configured by the system parameter, allow decreasing number of parts after text translation, 0, no, 1, yes. Please note that for this feature to work, translation of concatenated messages must be additionally enabled system-wide. To enable, contact the Alaris technical support team and communicate the code BZ32093. The number of EDRs written will equal the original number of segments, while the vendor will not be charged for the segments not sent to the vendor. The EDR storage structure has also been updated. The segment amount column has been split in two: segment amount client and segment amount a vendor. The same changes have been applied to the enterprise API methods get as SMS, EDR, and REST API method SMS as EDR. Similar updates have been made to the interfaces analytics and EDR export tool. The segments column has been split in segments C and segments V. The segments delivered column split in segments delivered C and segments delivered V. It has been made possible to take rate start dates from dedicated cells for rate change types such as increase, decrease, and close. Previously, dates for all change types were taken from one cell. The rate import interface has been reworked as follows. The right panel now serves for rate import settings. The method of picking rate start dates is now configured for each change type in the date picker type list. Possible values are: from cell, take the date from the cell; from calendar, select the date in the calendar that becomes available when the option is selected. This is the default value for new tasks. The date in the calendar is calculated based on the agreement. Number of days from now, specify the number of days from today. Please note that if the start date is specified in the file, it has priority over the dates specified in the rate import settings. Also, if the checkbox Replace effective dates violating agreement is enabled, the following notice will be shown for each block: New, increase, decrease, close. If violates agreement, set active after n days, where n is taken from the agreement for each specific rate change. It is now possible to add multiple tags to the Blacklist tab. Previously created Blacklist numbers will be moved to the default tag. Also, the tags column has been added to the table of records, and operations with tags have been improved similar to the Contacts tab. Selection of blacklists has been added when sending campaigns, either manually or from file. The code list and error and status codes tabs of the translation rules interface have been reworked, including the internal storage structure. The code list tab now contains all codes. Previously, it only contained SMPP and HTTP codes, including EDR status, codes for replacing the EDR status, routing code, internal routing module codes, when the message is rejected with the cause no routes. Protocol code SMPP and HTTP, SMPP and HTTP protocol codes. delivery status, delivery statuses, system code, SMS switch, system codes, delivery error code, delivery report codes. Also, codes are broken down by protocol and source, user or system codes. System codes cannot be removed. The Error and Status Codes tab now allows selecting codes and statuses for translation from the drop-down list, based on the data added to the Code List tab. Support of the Stripe payment system has been added to the wholesale portal. Possibility has been added to specify an exclusive list in the MCCMNC exclusive list field. Previously, the number assigned date was set as of the moment of the number assignment. However, for some defining markers, the verification as of the start of the day is performed. For this reason, the assignment will be made as of 0 o'clock of the current day. Verification during removal of contacts has been enhanced. If the tag with which the contacts to be removed are associated was used in campaigns, the following error will be shown. The tag has been used in a campaign. Thai localization has been added for Alaris campaign portal. Import of the reference book has been optimized for DBMS Oracle SE Standard Edition. The logic for sending the status code in the Deliver SM response packet to the vendor has been enhanced if the received message ID was not found in the memory. Previously, code 0 was always sent. Starting with the new version, code 12 will be sent. Previously, only one EDR was written for HLR reselling, even if HLR dipping was made through several HLR services and the services did not return the MCCMNC. Starting from the new version, a separate EDR will be written for each dipping. This will allow billing HLR vendors even if no MCCMNC was received. The MCCMNC from the reference book will be written and used. Please note that the client side will be billed by the last attempt as earlier. The changes type parameter value set when opening the interface has been changed from standard to system default.
Well, these are all technical details that were planned to describe in this video. Hopefully it was helpful. In case you have any questions for getting the new version and the features that were not described here, you are welcome to contact our support team. If you have any suggestions regarding the channel development, we will be happy to get them at the following email.